This is Jake Bernstein with the weekly Chimps report on the metals and mining shares. We're going to start with Freeport-McMoRan, where the daily chart has turned strongly bullish based on buying by Carl Icahn, who's accumulated a very large position there. But the weekly chart is what we're interested in. Now on the daily, we've had moving average channel buy triggers, we've had divergence buy triggers. The weekly chart is what we're waiting for, and that has not turned bullish yet. There is a significant bullish divergence, as evidenced by this low in price here, without a low in momentum. So a buy trigger is possible, but it has to be weekly if you're looking at an investment trade. And of course, the moving average channel has not turned bullish yet. Looking at some other gold stocks and precious metal stocks, we're going to GDXJ. No surprise that the weekly has not turned bullish yet either. So there's been no moving average channel buy trigger, there's been no divergence trigger at all. On the daily, there has been a very nice move, so you have to decide where you want to be. As a daily trader, it's still long. As a weekly, you're waiting, and be patient. It's well worth the wait. There are other metals and mining stocks that you should consider. We'll be giving you specific recommendations. There's a very bullish seasonal coming up in Alcoa later this month and early next month. Alcoa, as you can see, has been in a downtrend for some time now on the weekly chart, and therefore there's been no change there whatsoever. There's no bullish divergence, there's no moving average channel, so the daily move has now turned negative again, and as you can see on the weekly, we came up to resistance and traded above it before the market found considerable selling pressure. So on a long-term basis, we continue to favor the metals, but we want you to be careful. Look at COPX, the copper ETF, which is a good low-priced alternative once the copper market begins to move. COPX has considerable bullish divergence, but no trigger yet. And remember, we're looking at the weekly chart, not the daily. The daily is what it is, short-term swings. If you like those, trade the daily. If you're an investor, trade the weekly. We'll give you recommendations when opportunities arise. Watch the metals, watch the housing sector, and the overall market tends to turn bullish and seasonally. We'll be giving you quite a few seasonal trades. Thanks for being here. Best of trading to you.